Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my viewers. I hope you all are fine and you are safe in your health as well as mind, because that is very important. And obviously, there are at times when I don't feel like making videos and I feel like just relaxing and just having a day off or two. But then, for the sake of you all, I always end up making the videos and then release it after a day. So I just hope that you all are watching it, because the only motive behind making this video is that it obviously it has to be watched, and there are two reasons for it. First, that it will shift your mind away from all the ongoing sadness and disappointments and everything which is happening, and obviously it will make you all aware of so many words which you didn't know, or you knew but you did not know the exact or the true meaning of all those words. So it's a request from me to all of you, whoever is watching this video right now, that please watch the videos, share it with your friends, not because I want more and more views, because no matter if I get more or less, I'll be the same as I am right now. But it will definitely help a lot of people, because again, as I said, it will shift your mind and deviate you from all the negative thoughts which are there right now in the atmosphere. So please, I don't like saying this, but then if you subscribe my channel and you press the bell icon, you will be updated with the notifications. That's completely that is up to you. I'm not forcing anybody. If you wish to, you do it. If you don't wish to, you do not do it. It's all right. It's up to you. So let us begin our 5 words for today. So the first word for today is complacent. It is complacent. So this word comes from a Latin word. Generally all the English words, it has its root in Latin or Greek. So this word comes from a Latin word, complacia, and then it transforms into complacent itself. This means pleasing or pleasant. Alright, now what is the actual meaning of this word? Being self-satisfied, or having a complete one-way thought or one-way judgment about one's own achievement. Like you have done something and you have done your best. Now if somebody tells you, देखो तुम इससे अच्छा कर सकते हो, you will be like, नहीं हम कर दिए इतना ही है, this is my best, इससे अच्छा और नहीं हो सकता है. So you are being self-satisfied. You are having this opinion that whatever you have done, that is the best and you cannot do better than that. So you are being self-satisfied. That is complacent. Examples we could take. Her complacent attitude did not allow her to progress in her life. Why? Because obviously if you think that, for example, I make videos, now I watch them before I upload them, and I watch after that also to get another view how I'm saying and what all I am saying. So obviously I find a lot of faults, and I see that and I understand that I can better it here, I can better it there, हम यहाँ सही कर सकते हैं, वहाँ कर सकते हैं. So हम ये चीज़ ज़हन में रखें that I can improve. Now similarly, if I have this opinion in my head that नहीं, this video what I am uploading, this is the best, इससे अच्छा हम नहीं कर सकते हैं, I am being complacent, I am being self-satisfied that I cannot do better than this, so this is my best, इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं होगा. That is being complacent. Another example we can take, the country is being complacent about the war-like situation. For example, right now whatever is happening with China, everybody knows about it. If our country, for example, the defense minister or the people in charge in the borders, at the border, etc., now they will say that we are doing our best, इससे अच्छा हम लोग नहीं कर सकते, we are doing our best. But then also people are dying and all those things are happening. मतलब हम लोग complacent हो रहे हैं. हम लोग ये नहीं मान रहे हैं that हम लोग से यहाँ गलती हो रही है, यहाँ गलती हो रही है, हम लोगों को improvement की ज़रूरत है. Alright, that is complacent. Okay. The second word for today is colloquial. It is colloquial. Now this word, a lot of people have heard it. Colloquial means the way we talk. For example, हम हिंदी भी ला रहे हैं, हम इंग्लिश भी ला रहे हैं, ये दोनों हम कंबाइन करके बोल रहे हैं. So this is a colloquial form of speaking. अगर हम formally करते, then I would be having one single language, pure one pure single language. अगर हिंदी तो हिंदी, English to English. But I'm here combining those two languages and producing a language which is easy for you all to understand. So colloquial means having an informal way of talking, a familiar conversation style like talking, where you do not have any kind of formal ways of addressing each other. Alright, now this word comes from a Latin word again, colloquium, which means conversation. Alright, so conversation, just right now what I said, that we are talking in a conversation pattern. So this is colloquial. Alright, examples we can take. The way the teacher taught us is colloquial in manner, easy to understand. Like, for example, if you students and viewers are able to understand how I am teaching in a colloquial manner. So it is helping others to understand. Alright. Second example we can take, the story is written in a colloquial manner. Obviously, it is written in an informal manner, in a manner where I am able to understand it. In a daily language basis manner, conversation style like manner. Alright? Okay. The third word for today is comprehensible. It is comprehensible. Now this word comes from both French and Latin word which together form comprehends. Alright, this means to be comprised of, and then it is translated into comprehendia, which means to grasp. Com means C-O-M, together, and prehendia means to grasp. Grasp as in to catch something. Catch as in not catching a ball, but तुम कोई बात catch कर रहे हो, you're grasping it. You are listening and you're understanding it. So comprehensible means able to be understood. Understandable जिसको बोलते, that is comprehensible. Now many might say, ma'am, अगर understandable already एक word है, then why do we use comprehensible? See, there are certain words which are used in a daily, like we are talking, the way we are talking in that manner, and there are certain words which are a little high level, and it needs to be used when you are writing an answer or during academics. Alright, so you need to be thorough with all kinds of words, how they are used and where they are used. Alright, so let us make a sentence out of it. The chapter is written in a comprehensible manner, in a manner which is able to be understood. Alright, second example we can take, this subject needs to be taught in a more comprehensible way, which means ये subject को और ऐसा पढ़ाना चाहिए ताकि वो समझ में आए, in a comprehensible way, in a way it could be understood. Alright, so the fourth word for today is concede. Concede, C-O-N-C-E-D-E. This means to agree to something after first denying it. Denying, मना करना, जिसको तुम पहले मना कर चुके हो कोई बात को, but then again after a lot of time you are agreeing to those words or to the sentence or concept, whatever. This also means to surrender. Now you are surrendering but unwillingly, which means तुम पहले सोचे थे कि हम सही है, फिर तुमको पता चलता है कि तुम गलत हो, तो फिर जो सिचुएशन होता है जहां तुम मानते हो कि हाँ ठीक है तुम सही हो, that is like you are keeping a block of stone on your heart and then you are accepting it. ऐसा लगता है. Sentences we can say, well, okay, I did behave in a very bad manner. He conceded. मतलब ये बाद में उसको समझ में आता है कि वो बहुत खराब तरीके से बिहेव किया था, and that's why he kind of accepts what he was not accepting before. But वो फिर भी वो accept खुशी खुशी नहीं कर रहा है, जबरदस्ती मन मार के he's trying to do that. Alright, okay. Another example we can take, they finally conceded to the decision taken earlier, which means that earlier they did not accept the decision, they were not okay with it, but then finally they were okay with it, though they had this thing in their heart कि बस कर ले रहे हैं, नाम का accept कर ले रहे हैं. That is concede. Alright, the last word for today is circumspect. circumspect. Now this word means having a strong watchfulness or a careful consideration. You are not willing to take risks at all. You are being very careful and you are then considering everything around you. That is circumspect. That comes, circum means around or about, and specere means to look. So circumspecere means to look all around, to look all about, and then that translated into circumspect. Alright, now the sentences which we could take here. Having a circumspect approach helped him to save his company from all the loss, because he was having a circumspect behavior, which means having a watchful behavior, having a careful behavior, and that somehow helped him to understand कि अच्छा भी risk लेना सही नहीं रहेगा. So he did not invest money, and उसके वजह से इसको कंपनी में कोई लॉस नहीं होता है, उल्टा ये कंपनी बचा देता है. So having a circumspect approach helped him to save his company from losing money. Alright. Second example we could take, being a foreign minister, he was watchful, cautious and circumspect. As in he was being aware of whatever everything is happening. Okay, circumspect. So the first word for today was complacent. Then we had colloquial. Then we had comprehensible. Fourth we had concede. The last word we have circumspect. So these are the 5 words for today. I hope you all are understanding and will be using it in your daily lives. Again and again I'm saying, the situations around you, the circumstances, the atmosphere around you might be not favoring you in all your daily activities. Some are strong-hearted. They can adjust and they can digest the news, adjust accordingly. But there are some people who get affected by everything happening around, and we cannot judge them because everybody has different nature. And I just want to tell everyone that if you really enjoy and like the way I teach and like this initiative, please share it with your friends so that as many people could see it, and it helps them to just deviate themselves from all this and learn something which is productive and live a happy life. So thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow with another 5 words, and hopefully you all will be fine till then. All right, thank you so much.